Hey everyone, welcome to Whimsical AI. This AI tool lets us create diagrams, brainstorm, and summarize info in seconds. It also integrates AI into mind maps and mental diagrams. They show examples of what we can do. Create docs, mind maps, posts, and projects. Of course, it also includes team collaboration features. Here they show us a bit about the project section where you can create projects and more. To get started, we can simply click sign up and continue with Google. And there you have it, we're now inside Whimsical. How can we use Whimsical AI? Well, we open this drop down and click Create New. Here we can create various projects like a table. It'll be an empty table where we can create anything. A document, basically text, a project or a task. We can make a folder to store different items. They also provide templates like for diagrams, project management, whiteboarding. Let's pick a project management one, this one, so you can see the look and how it works. On the left, we have all the tools. They're quite intuitive, like the text section. It lets us add text. For icons, we search here, smile happy. What language? English. I'm not sure how many we've used. There aren't many. As I'm in the animals section. Let's see if the animal title, smile, there it is. So it's a way to select here too. This one lets you add it. We can also add an icons link section. We can draw freely if we want, which is pretty good. They let us choose pen types and more sections. We can create a section, color a part of the section. Let's undo, let's remove it section. We add it. As you see, we can name it here. This section is called using this template. I'll name it test white color for background, but I want it purple, I want it purple, I want it red, I want it red, and clip content to change clip content for duplicating. That's for duplicating. You can also duplicate with Alt and drag and add comments text. Well, I've already shown you how to add text using the text tool. We can generate it with AI, which is also very interesting. We can use a template if we haven't created one already. And here we simply have different diagram shapes, like this shape here for product teams. Let's say we don't want it like this. We want it round. We can do that. And it also allows us to create different branches directly. We also have wireframe mode in case we want to add a window, a window like this. It's similar to the sections feature. We can add sticky notes, simple notes, and create mind map. This, for example, would be a mind map. And here we go, creating our own drop down and our own branches. There it is, and it makes everything easier for us. Now, the mind map isn't too different from diagram shapes, but it does give us more options. Connections automatically, then task mode for adding tasks. Well, the interesting part is also this in generating AI, for example. I want a mind map for creating an AI course. I click create and it starts making the mind map, creating one for an AI course. I was very vague, I know, but it shows curriculum, content creation, strategies. We can delete it and use AI whenever we want. So that's how we can use this tool fully. We can present using this template, add comments or share it from here and export it. It's that simple. How can we add someone to our Whimsical AI team? Well, we have several options available. As you can see, it's a bit tricky here. We can click manage members to invite, but it's usually done from my account. Go to my account settings, my account upgrade plan, and then members. Here you can easily invite a new member, change their role, and more. You also have access to guests, multiple teams if any, settings, and more. Alright, how do we add integrations to Whimsical AI? What types of integrations are available? Well, for example, there's ChatGPT. How do we integrate ChatGPT into Whimsical AI? What about other integrations? Basically, we click this drop down, select upgrade plan, and go to integrations. There we can add Google Docs, Front, create new tasks, and link existing tasks, GitHub, Linear, Jira, ChatGPT, Notion, Slack, and other tools we see here. Got it? Each one has its specific use depending on what you want to do. So yeah, it's that simple. Alright, we've been checking out the Whimsical AI tool. I think it's a pretty good tool. I really like how it looks and how the AI integration works. So let's click on upgrade plan. Let's check out the pricing plans. Usually paid plans in mind mapping tools are cheaper. Here we start with $0/month for unlimited workspaces and files. Then it's $10/month for annual billing. Monthly would be 12, 18, or 20. Annually, it's 10, 15, or 20. Pro has unlimited team files, tasks, 6 teams, 50 guests. I don't see much difference here. I'd like to see a comparison. The AI actions are what matter most to me. Free has 100 AI interactions, Pro has 500. They say workspaces, documents, and projects are unlimited. Tasks are also unlimited with the Pro plan. Pro gives 90-day history for just $10 a month, up to 100 templates. So why choose business or a higher tier? It offers more AI interactions, allows 50 to 100 guests, team size from 6 to unlimited. That's the appeal, right? Get it? Alright, fine. Honestly, there's not much else different. Pro versus business, more teams and guests. That's it, okay? Enterprise offers priority support. Business does too, actually. Dedicated manager for $20 monthly. Per person, I assume. Reviews, got it. Security features, including personal ID and more. Okay? So yeah, I recommend it. Probably one of the best tools, if not the best I've seen. Most user-friendly with logo options and more. I really liked it. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in future videos.